So my Kenmore Elite Washer stopped working. It stopped and it gave me the CLL SRV, which means it is call service. There's a way to find a code. What you do, you turn it off, turn it back on, turn to this to any cycle, and hold these two buttons down at the same time until you see the error code. E58. According to the internet search, E58 got to do something with the motor. So I got to pull in the back here and see what's going on. So before you go through this, unplug that for like 3 to 5 minutes and plug it back in, see if that reset it. But I did that twice and it didn't work, so I'm gonna pull this panel out and check out the motor. On the form it say test out the motor with the multimeter. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Go ahead and unplug the power cord. So there's a motor. They say turn it, see if it's turned freely, which it does. All right, let me pull this out and check the motor anyway with a multimeter. First, I gotta take out the belt. I think just pull it out. It's pretty simple. There we go. And this thing turned freely. See how it's turned? That means the motor is not stuck. And let me take out the motor anyway and test for the ohms. One down. Look like there's two more in the back there. All right. So I got the motor off this two screw back. They kind of pain in the ass. Let me see here. I think it's pretty heavy. All right, now just disconnect that and bring it out here so I can test it. Try to take that off so I can move this out here so I can get to the wire. Right there, that little thing to hold up the wire. So I set my ohm here. You should do, that's pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be, the ohm should be between 3 and 6. According to the instruction. Come to 1 to 2 now. Okay, and then you do 1 to 3. Okay, that's between it. And then you do pin 2 here. You do pin 2 to 3. I need a clamp. All right, so I got 2. Do 2 to 3. Don't let that touch. Okay, 2 to 3. Okay, my ohms are good, so this motor is good. And the drum spin freely. Look what I found inside my washer. Instruction booklet, I think. Let me see. So this is the washer tech data sheet. Very helpful. So the code I got was E58, high current on motor phase. Refer to test 8. This was left inside the washer. Test 8. So I did all the tests. And all the reading is between 3 to 6 ohms. It say here, if the reading is correct, check the wiring motor. If real good, replace the motor control board. So according to the instruction, is the motor control board. I guess I just have to order that. Okay, the new part just came in. Hopefully this is the problem. According to the booklet, the error code. So time to put this bad boy back in and get, cross a finger. There's an old one. Still have all my tools here. Took 2 days to get here. 210 bucks. Hopefully this is the problem. There's a tap here. You have to remove it, which I already pop it off. And you get to this wire. Just a few wire to disconnect. Basic, just plug and play. All right, let's get to it. So to remove that old one there, you have to, it's a screw that's attached here. That's not, it just popped out. I just hold it in place, and there, a screw on this side. Oh, you can see it right there. Now hold this in. Right there. There you go. Now, if you want to make it easy, you take this whole thing out so you can get to it, but I didn't. I just do it by feel. And I was able to remove the old one and put in a new one. But that is a new one. I just put it in. I have a helper. Want to come in and help, buddy? Okay, now I got to put the motor back. Be sure to connect all the wire back. And then you mount the motor. All right, I got all 4 bolts in. Make sure you tighten it. Not too tight, because these are plastic back in here. I think it's total of 4. There's one right there. One back there. Yeah, you just have to get your hand around it. Now I just need to put the belt back and then run the test. Come on, baby, let's work, okay? This thing is 11 years old. I'm not ready to replace with a new one. They're like 3 grand or plus. The belt is not hard to put it back on at all. Just put it here, and then you start here, and then you just rotate the drum. I can't show because I need 2 hands. I don't have anybody record it for me, but everything's plugged in. Come on. This thing was down for a week. Let me test this. Double check, there's nothing in here. No tools. Okay. Just run a quick test and see what happened. See, so far it's working. This last time I don't hear the motor, but we'll see. Last time I didn't hear that. Come on. Run it for daddy. There we go, it's spinning. Because I think that last time it wasn't spinning. I'm gonna do a quick wash. Test it out before I put everything back. Yeah, last time there's no noise coming out here. Oh yeah, it's spinning. So that's the problem. We'll see. Let's do a quick wash here. Run it, test it out. Still working. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely is working. But we'll see. Another 15 minutes. Before this stay at like 18 minutes. For like a while. And then it just shut off. It refused to run. That's what I'm talking about. Found the drum light is right here. Gotta hold it down. But it's spinning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I'm done. I'm gonna let the cycle run through it. Then I'm gonna put everything back. And then I can go play. So simple the way they build this thing. There's nothing to it. Just the motor, your main part, and the drum. And nothing but computer in there. All right, let's hope this thing lasts me another 11 years. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Speeding fast. Ooh. 10 minutes down. All right, 1 minute and cycle complete. Now I can put everything back together. Push this back boy in. Wife should be happy. I got the parts from Appliances Pro. I'll leave the link. They shipped this item in pretty fast, couple days. Last time I had to replace the water valve up here. Also, I have the parts from them as well. It's also in my other video.